Welcome to another deep dive, everyone. Today we're going to be tackling something that I think a lot of folks are curious about. YouTube. Specifically, how to make money through the YouTube Partner Program.
The elusive YouTube Partner Program.
Yeah, I mean, everyone wants to know the secret sauce, right?
Right.
And, it all started with a simple question. How to make money with YouTube Partner Program.
It's a question that I see everywhere these days.
And it's like a little window into a huge world,
Exactly.
So that's what we're going to do today. Dive into that world, trying to understand what it takes to earn some cash through YouTube.
Love it.
So I guess first things first, what exactly is this partner program anyway?
Okay, so the YouTube Partner Program, it's essentially YouTube's way of sharing ad revenue with creators, right?
Makes sense.
It's how they incentivize people to make content, high-quality content for the platform.
So it's not just like, oh, I uploaded a cat video, where's my money?
No. There's a little bit more to it.
Yeah. There's got to be some hoops to jump through.
Exactly. There are some thresholds you got to meet.
Okay.
First of all, you need at least 1,000 subscribers.
1,000? Okay, so you got to have some kind of audience already.
Right. And then on top of that, you need 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past year.
Oh, wow. 4,000 hours. That's a lot of watch time.
That is a significant chunk of time. So you're not just making a few videos and, hoping for the best.
So you got to really build an audience, a dedicated audience.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's say I hit those milestones. I'm in the program. How am I actually making money?
Well, there are a few ways.
Okay.
The most common and probably what people are most familiar with is ad revenue.
Okay, so like those ads that play before or during the videos.
Exactly.
So I get a cut of that.
You get a cut of that based on how many people watch those ads and click on them.
Makes sense. All right, what else?
You can also earn money through channel memberships.
Okay, what's that?
So that's where your dedicated fans, they actually pay a monthly fee to get access to exclusive content perks, that kind of thing.
So kind of like a VIP club for your channel.
Exactly. It's like a way to build community and also have a more stable income stream.
Right, because ads can fluctuate.
Absolutely.
You never know what you're going to get.
Right. And then another option is selling merchandise.
Merch, all right.
Yeah, like t-shirts, mugs, anything related to your channel brand.
Okay, so I'm seeing it's not just a one-size-fits-all, slap ads on and hope for the best.
No, not at all.
You really got to have a strategy, right?
It's all about diversifying your income streams, figuring out what works for you and your audience.
Okay. Now, what about those creators who are just starting out? Is it even realistic to be thinking about the partner program as a way to make money? Or is it just like a pipe dream?
No, I wouldn't say it's a pipe dream. I mean, it's definitely achievable.
Okay.
But it takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Right. No, of course not. Nothing is.
Building an audience, that's key.
No.
That's the foundation.
And that takes time.
Exactly. But, and here's the really interesting part, you don't need millions of subscribers to make a decent living on YouTube.
Oh, really? Okay.
You see all these success stories about people with massive followings, but there are also tons of smaller creators carving out their niche, finding their audience, and making a living doing what they love.
So you're telling me like anyone with any passion can potentially turn that into profit on YouTube?
Exactly. It's about finding your niche, creating high-quality content that resonates with a specific audience. You don't need to appeal to everyone on YouTube.
That makes sense. You just got to find the right people.
Exactly. And, think about it.
Yeah.
There are probably people out there who are passionate about things that you might think are totally obscure, but they found their community on YouTube.
So let's bring it back to our listeners. What's the big takeaway here? What do we want them to walk away with?
Well, I think the biggest thing is that even a simple search query like how to make money with YouTube Partner Program can open up a whole world of possibilities.
Yeah.
The partner program is just one example of how people are using digital platforms to generate income.
Right.
And it's not just about YouTube. There are other platforms out there, too, that offer similar earning potential.
So what you're saying is there are options out there. You just got to do a little digging.
Exactly. And think about what you're passionate about, what you're good at, and start exploring.
I love that.
Yeah.
So to all our listeners out there, what are you waiting for? Go out and find your niche, build your community, and maybe even make some money along the way. Thanks for joining us on this deep